aren't we a little too old to be drinking till we pass out?
A little old. Okay, so what? Should we be going to the park to feed the ducks on the pond?
Ha! I'd love to see you guys doing that.
I'm just saying that drinking with no kind of self-control is dangerous. I remember once I woke up in a boat headed to Samoa, and I still have no idea what happened.
Oh, yeah! I think I traded you for some fresh fruit or something like that.
And I'm sure you had a very good reason to do it, pal. But I feel like we should grow up a little and start being responsible for our actions. Don't you agree?
Are you sure you're really Randal?
Dude, I'm serious. We are grown-ups now, especially you. You might even give life to a baby Matt soon. Dude, I'm serious. We're grown-ups now. Especially you. You might even give life to a baby Matt soon.
Don't bring up that topic. We're having so much trouble picking a name.
Seriously? What options do you have?
Please, let's just talk about something.
If it's a girl, Leia or Wonder Woman, and if it's a boy...
Whoa, hold it. Did you say Wonder Woman?
Sure, why not? It was either that or She-Hulk. But I just think that She-Hulk is kind of lame, and Sally refuses to call her Buffy the Vampire Slayer.
Because it doesn't make any sense. Matt, do you really want our daughter's middle name to be the Vampire Slayer?
Sally, we already had this argument, and you won. Both She-Hulk and Buffy the Vampire Slayer are off the table, so relax.
Well, add Wonder Woman to that list as well.
Then, I want Silk Spectre back in the game.
Matt, just take a second to think about it. Do you really see yourself pushing your daughter on the swings and calling her Silk Spectre? Seriously.
You're right. Calling her Spectre is not very feminine. But we still have Leia. Come on, you can't deny that Leia is a beautiful name.
Well, it's the least ugly name you've suggested so far, that's true.
Okay, and if it's a boy?
Oh, well, I love the name Scott. We could call him Scotty.
Are you crazy? No son of mine will have Cyclops' human name.
Oh, sure, because calling him the Swamp Thing is a much better idea.
Whoa! Hey, have you been reading my diary?
Huh. Looks like things are kinda heating up.
Hold on. Is that what this is? Are you trying to make us fight?
What? I just wanted to know about your kids' names, that's all.
Yeah, because we're having so much trouble finding names we both like.
Oh, come on, Sally. I was just curious about it. If someone heard you right now, they would think you and I were secretly fighting over Matt's attention. And that's just crazy, isn't it?
Of course it is. Besides, I'm Matt's bride-to-be. I think I can do certain things for him that you can't.
Yeah, dirty things.
I see.
I think I won this battle.
What?
I said, let's just enjoy the night. Who wants some booze?
Oh, you just read my mind, sweetie.
Yeah. Hey, you remember those times when we could have fun without drinking?
Not really. When was that?
Well, when we were kids.
Very young kids, because you guys started hitting the bottle like really, really early.
Whatever, but at least we had our health back then.
Randal, you can't be serious about that. You once put super glue in Matt's eye drops, and you almost blinded him. So you're one to start talking about health.
Well, just for the record, the drops thing was in self-defense.
He's right. I kind of had it coming.
So, Sally, I'm dying to know, what have you been up to lately?
Well,
Actually, no, I don't.
Well, I've been kind of busy planning the wedding,
Of course.
What's going on here? You're acting kind of weird.
Nothing! Randal was just asking me about, the wedding.
Yeah, but what's with all the pauses?
Yeah, what's with all the pauses, Sally? You're not possessed by some evil spirit or something, are you?
No, Randal, you're so funny.
I am funny, aren't I? I was thinking of becoming a professional comedian or something.
Really? Well, we will support you no matter what. But I think you should remember that not everybody shares your sense of humor, Keep that in mind.
Honey, doing it again?
What?
Those weird pauses?
Oh! It's just that talking about Randal is so dull. Don't you think?
Hey,
Sorry, but it's true. Let's go get another round, okay?
See? That sounds way better. All right. I've got one. Would you rather spend the night in a haunted mansion where no one has ever gotten out alive, or spend a day in Pee-wee's playhouse while Pee-wee is fucked up on crack?
The mansion! No, Pee-wee! No. The mansion! Ah, God damn it, both of them are equally terrifying.
question. Is there any chance Pee-wee could slip me some of that shit he's on?
Nope. He smoked it all.
Then I'd rather die at the mansion.
That reminds me of our last vacation.
Oh, come on, Sally. It was super romantic.
Oh, yeah, you and your sense of romance. Everybody run for your life.
Hey, everybody knows Matt can be really romantic when he wants to be.
Everybody? How come I don't then?
Oh, come on, Sally. I tell you I love you almost every day. I'm super romantic.
Yeah, sure. Do you mean when you belch it or when you say it in binary code?
No, he means when he belches it in binary code. Hold on, this sounds oddly familiar. Damn it, I'm doing it again. I need to change the subject, and soon.
What are you muttering?
Oh, it's just that... don't you think you've had enough for today, Matt?
What are you talking about? We were just saying he should try and beat his own record.
Oh, Matt sure does love the sound of that.
Yeah, but, didn't you say the other day that you were gonna ease up on trying to beat all those stupid records? You know, things like drinking more than 500 ounces of beer in one sitting, making the biggest puke omelet in the world, watching all 4 Twilight movies with no sharpened weapons? I mean, come on, where's it all gonna stop?
Who cares? I love Matt just the way he is. If he feels like doing a 5-day Nicolas Cage marathon or he wants to drink the bar dry, just let him do it, okay?
You know, I think Randal's right, sweetheart. Now that we're gonna get married, I think I should start taking things a little more seriously.
Exactly. You're gonna have more responsibilities now.
But that's not the Matt I fell in love with.
Of course not. The Matt you fell in love with was a total moron. And honey, now that I'm growing up, I totally understand why you get angry at me sometimes. But let me promise you this. From now on, I'm gonna be a new man. I'm gonna be the kind of man you deserve.
But
Come on, that's what you always wanted. Matt is finally growing up.
I just want to have some fun tonight.
And we will, honey. But I'm just gonna try to slow down the alcohol, okay? In fact, you know what? I might not even throw up at all tonight. And that would be a whole new experience for me.
Attaboy, Matt. And you know what? I'm signing up too. So, say guys, would you like to go to my place and watch a movie?
Hey, what's wrong with you, man? It's like you don't want to be here.
No, it's not that. I just, thought...
We don't want to make you feel awkward. If you're not comfortable here, you can go.
I'm not feeling awkward or anything. It's just that I thought...
I don't want you to leave, buddy.
No, I'm not going anywhere. I just said that thing about the movie because I thought you might feel like one of our movie nights. But, never mind.
We can go to that hovel you call home any other time. Today's our special day, and we are not moving from here.
You're the boss, babe.
That's right. I'm the boss.
So tell me more about the wedding menu.
You know, all I want is a free bar.
Of course there'll be a free bar, honey.
A free bar. Are you sure about that?
Yeah, dude, what better way of proving our love before the eyes of the Lord?
I don't know, man. It sounds like alcohol is the only thing you think about. Am I wrong here?
Randal, it's our wedding. Matt just wants to have a good time, and I want to make sure he drinks as much as he likes.
Sure. As long as he makes it to the wedding.
What do you mean?
Yeah, Randal, what do you mean?
Nothing. I just meant to say that if you happen to overdo it tonight, you might not even live to see your wedding. Remember the time you jumped out of a moving car?
You're right. And it really hurt. There's still part of my back where the skin hasn't grown back yet. I think I'm gonna follow your advice, man.
What?
Yeah, you know. I think it'll be best if we take it easy tonight, babe. You know, just a couple of drinks and some good conversation.
Are you kidding me? You guys being civilized?
Sally, I know this might sound a little like sci-fi, but, I'm willing to not drink any more alcohol for the rest of the night. You with me, man?
Yeah. You know what?
Enough! This is just bullshit. I spent days planning this party, and I just wanted everything to be perfect. I even asked Elaine to buy 2 barrels of the best German lager she could find, just so you guys could enjoy this night your way. And now you're giving me all this shit? God, I knew I shouldn't have bothered.
Sally, I didn't know you'd gone to so much trouble.
Well, that's because it was going to be a surprise. But you know what? It doesn't matter anymore.
Hey, babe.
Well, she said it doesn't matter, so...
Dude, she just went to a lot of trouble to get us some premium quality beer. We're not gonna disappoint her, are we?
Huh. I guess not.
Attaboys, you're just gonna love it.
I'm just one sip away from having to make a strategical break for the alley.
Sure, babe? You look fine to me.
Are you sure, girl? Look at his eyes. They're looking in 2 different directions at the same time.
Cool! Just love it when he does that.
What?
Don't worry about me, honey. Drink as much as you want.
I'm okay.
Damn it. That means he's just about to throw up.
No, man, I'm serious. No throwing up today, for reals.
You're shitting me.
Listen to me, babe. We're gonna be husband and wife in, like, really soon. And I have made up my mind. It's time to grow up. I'm in total control of my body. And I said, I'm not gonna throw up today.
Way to go, buddy. And I'm gonna follow your example. What do you say, Sally?
I swear, I didn't want it to come to this, but it looks like I have no choice.
Just what the... Ow! Hey! That's cheating!
Randall, I'm the devil. I always cheat.
Oh, I see.
So, what's next again? Oh, that's right. Randall, can you go check on him? I don't want him ruining another pair of my shoes.
Oh, I guess you just can't change fate. Oh, I left my swimsuit at home, so aim away from me if you're gonna start puking again. Dude, this is not how this was supposed to end.
Really? Well, you know me, puking in this alley is like tradition.
I know, but it had to be different tonight.
Man, don't worry about it. A human being can't change lifelong habits just like that. I heard it on TV just the other day.
Well, just for the sake of mankind, I hope to Christ that's not true.